Alright folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We are out here at the Avon Park Field runway. We're going to take up the Habu STS. Hold on just a second, let me check something real quick. Let me check something. All right, there we go. Everything looks good. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Okay. I think everything looks good. What had happened is on my 3-cell flight, on one of them, or actually, I can't remember now. Yeah, on my, on my second, one of my flights, can't remember which one now. I landed on the grass to show and tried to take off on the grass, and I hit a real bad clump, really bad clump of grass, and that caused me to take a lot of grass in the inlet. Right now I'm running a HRB 3300 4-cell, just so you know. There is no wind to speak of. I'm gonna have to go on there and mechanically change my elevator trim though, because I think I need more up elevator. Well, but I hit a really bad clump of grass last time, and she seems to be doing okay. Let me make sure the inlet's clean before we take her up again. I got a lot of grass on her, but I don't think... Nah, she's good inside. Oh yeah, she's good inside. All right, let's see if we can't... I'm all out of... One thing I do say about this, it doesn't give you much in the way of elevator. Hold on, I'm hoping that helps some. Seems to. what I did is I increased the travel on up to 150, hoping that that'll help me out some.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Gliding in now. Boy, she's steady. She is so steady. Man, she is. Whoa. I literally almost hit myself.
20 seconds. Time expired.
All right. Very happy with the performance, but I do have to do something with that trim. All right, folks.
Motor off.
Motor off. That's what you want to hear. We're going to change to the 4000. And I'll make sure my motor's off. I don't know why I'm trying. But yeah, I think all my modifications. But anyways, I had to basically take the plane completely apart, take the EDF out, clean it out by hand. I mean, it had so much in it. So much. It was horrible. And so much grass. I hit a big clump way out there in that field, and it just went right into the inlet, wrapped around that fan, and I didn't notice what had happened. So I went and I got it back the runway, took off, and it was like it was trying to fly in sand, and I didn't realize what had happened. It flew around ever so slow, and I'm like, what is going on? I got a 4-cell in it, so why is it so slow? And that's what had happened. It was like wasn't getting anywhere near the juice it needed. It was really hard on the fan. So took it home, got her all put together and cleaned her up, and well, she seems to be flying just fine now. So thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.